not used to being in the same place for like so many hours every day. Still excited, we've been working on some really fun stuff. So I love lines, and I even love the word lines, and I feel like sometimes I'm unimaginative, and I name my book Lines, and I make a one-woman show and I called it Lines, and everything I make I want to just call it Lines. So I obviously am a big fan of lines because I think for me, lines are the foundation for anything. So whatever industry or medium that you're working in, ultimately everything starts with a line. And when I think of surfaces, I think of how to apply my work or lines to it. So surfaces are always, or planes can be like a challenge in working out how to imagine or envision kind of my lines taking over that plane or that surface.
For me, I think there was two really cool aspects of the collaboration. One being like exploring the intersection between two-dimensional and three-dimensional art. For example, so like some of the products that we're developing is like a coffee table with Shantell's line work on the top surface. It was pretty cool to take her artwork and actually use the same marker that she uses and kind of replicate that on the CNC.
So when I think of 3D space, I initially my initial touch point with that is immersion. I want to create immersive spaces. There's a really interesting relationship with kind of the line work that I'm creating and 3D space, because you have that opportunity for someone to kind of step into your world. So when I was younger, my space was about kind of the inspirations or interests or things that I was surrounded by. And as I got older, I kind of wanted to be immersed in my work, and my space became almost like an installation. And I think now it's a little bit of a mixture. Throughout my home, I have artwork from friends and other people that I've collected. So I think now it is a nice mixture of, kind of full circle, almost like when I was a kid, where there's things that friends have made, things that I've made, and there's that nice kind of balance or integration between all of them.